Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2021 We R New York Chapter AFS Virtual R Workshop Series. Over the course of the next week and a half or so, we'll be undertaking a series of live workshops together. Not everyone will be in every one of them, and some of you will be in all of them. So we're looking forward to getting things kicked off here on February 12th, 2021. And for this first introductory video, I just want to take a moment to show you around the workshop website and give you a little bit of what you can expect in the weeks to come. Okay, so here I have the We R NYCAFS workshop website pulled up. You can see the URL up there. It's all lowercase danstitch.github.io / We R NYCAFS. This is a static website. It will be permanent. It will be available after the workshop, and we're using it to host all of the content for all of the workshops this year. You've got some information there for you under the Before the Workshops tabs that should get you started with some things that you need to do before we get together live. You've also got a bunch of content here in the workshop modules that will get you started with the kinds of things that we're going to do in each workshop. So we've got 3 right now set up and ready to go. The introduction to R and R Studio will be the first. And this will take you to some web-based programming modules that will follow along with what we do in class. These have way more in them than we'll ever get done in 2 hours or 5 for that matter. And they're here for you to come back to and interact with as you so choose, either beforehand or after the fact. This roughly follows along with the textbook that I use for my undergraduate and graduate statistics tech classes in biology. So there's one there for each of the workshops. If you ever get lost, you can always get back. And then, because people always ask for more, I've provided some lists of additional resources here for you to help you get started once we've gone our separate ways after this year's meetings. The next step for you will be get started downloading software and installing it on your computers. Please do note that you'll need administrative access to do this. So if you work for example, a public agency where that requires administrative permission, you may need to have that set up a day or 2 in advance. That said, you're welcome to work on your own personal computers throughout the course of the workshop, and you should be able to access this website and all of the examples on any connected device, whether that be a smartphone or a tablet, computer or television. You'll have some step-by-step instructions here. We'll get into more specifics in the days to come. Basically, the best approach to this is to go through and follow the instructions in line as they're written. So the first thing you want to do is go out and download and install R. Then you can download and install R Studio, and you can set yourself up with the meeting platform, the workshop platform, I'm sorry. That is Microsoft Teams. Finally, we'll have you go out and download all of the workshop files for this. There's a link here to a compressed folder, and I'll also be sending this around through various emails and the like in the coming days. Okay, that's all for now. We'll come back at you with a few more videos to get you up and running and get you acquainted with both R and R Studio, but also the meeting platform, so you've got some information about that ahead of time. Look forward to it. Bye.